In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play against friends in NBA 2K24. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a 1v1 match so you can play head-on against your friends. In order to do this, from the home screen of the game, go to Play Now. So instead of choosing any of the other options, the main one to set up a quick match against your friends is going to be Play Now. So going to Play Now and then choose Quick Play. Immediately upon doing this, you will be able to assign the teams, control the players, and so on. But if you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will find Invite Friends. So all that you have to do is press the respective button to open the menu. Usually, it is going to be done by pressing down on the right joystick. So just take a look here and see which button you have set up to invite your friends. So this example here is on PlayStation. Immediately upon doing this, the friends list will open and you will be able to send out the invites. So you just take any of the people who you want to send out the invite to, and then once the invite is sent, they will get a notification that they can accept. If they are inside of the game, they will load up immediately here, so you'll see your friend pop up, and they will be able to control the roster and so on. And if they are outside of the game should open and automatically set them up to play the match with you. So all that you have to do is use the Play Now mode from the home screen. It is by far the easiest option, and of course, assuming this doesn't work, your friend can try to invite you instead. As long as you look at the bottom left and you use the respective button to open the invite window, you will be able to do this, and it will work for any platform. Make sure that they are added on your friends list. So in this example here, both of you should be friends on the PlayStation Network, and as long as you have each other added, you will be able to get this done and start playing NBA 2K24. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against friends in NBA 2K24. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.